I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to stop people seeing when you're active on Facebook. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device and then tap the menu icon on this screen. Step 2. Tap the settings icon on the menu screen. The settings icon looks like a gear. Step 3. Navigate down to the audience and visibility section and then tap active status. Step 4. Tap to toggle off show when you're active. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to disable showing your active status on Facebook. You'll also be notified that when you turn active status off, you also won't be able to see when your friends and contacts are active on Facebook. Step 5. Tap turn off. Going forward, other users won't be able to see when you're active on the platform. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.